Alright, let's get to a good unboxing today. Big box. Big package. Gojira's entered the room. If you can hear some heavy breathing. She's been in the other room playing. It's Mario Kart day around here, people. Set the knife out of the way. Put the knives down. See bubble wrap. See paper. See protection. Gojira is down here grabbing the paper that I just tossed. She loves paper. Who doesn't? Bubble wrap protection. What do we have? I would assume everyone can see that there's probably a Funko Pop in here. This is packaged very well. And we have the Godzilla King of Monsters Mothra. This is an Entertainment Earth exclusive limited edition. I believe this is one of the glow-in-the-dark ones. But, I mean, obviously, we know I love Godzilla and I love Mothra. Anything to do with all of that stuff. But look how colorful this is. That's why I had to get this for sure. That's what she looks like inside. Look how colorful that is, though. This thing's beautiful. What a haul.